Okay, so here's our final project. It's called Rate My Class, similar to Rate My Professor, but you're creating classes. Um, I did a lot of the styling that you see, um, and I added some logic to it, like the getting the number of reviews for each class, reaching, getting from the API to collect that, and then getting the rating for each of them. And then I also created this create my account page um, that works. You can see that this is the user that I created. I'll just, rather than, uh, actually, I will register. I'll do Amy Major Web, Amy H. And then just do it, Amy at gmail.com. And I'll create password. And then you can see that I did add some validation to it that knows that passwords don't match. So let me put this in. You can see that now once you click submit the first time, then it updates. And same thing with this, like it says, please enter your valid email address. So let me do that. And then now we are logged in. You're brought straight to the home page. But there's also a dashboard. Um, which I didn't create, but you can see that right here. I don't have any reviews, so I can create a review, which I didn't do this either. So let me log in with my test user that I did create a review with. Um, so here are my reviews. What I did is I did the edit button. I added that to the dashboard and I styled the dashboard. So I can edit review. I added this and I got from the API all of the data so it auto populates in based on the ID that you give it. And then I can set that. I can say I can take off this practice comment. That was in addition to that. And I click update and it says review updated successfully and I have the option to return home. I also did the styling of this page, just to make it consistent with the home page. And yeah, that's it. So I feel like I learned a lot from this. I learned a lot about making APIs and fetching to them and creating all of the logic behind that, as well as using Svelte. I have really enjoyed using Svelte, making this that it is in a way it's a lot easier from using just Express or from using just vanilla JavaScript. I think I'll continue trying out different frameworks after this to learn more about them and just practice using them to prepare me for the future. Um, Stop sharing and yeah, thank you.